technology that opens the skin. Electroporation technology. Warm temperature function. Vibration is possible. Even deep down into the layers of skin. Atomy's EP Skin Booster.
네, 영상 잘 보셨는지 모르겠습니다.
Were you able to see the video? Hello, I
이은영입니다.
am Director Eun-young Lee from Atomy's Product Management Team.
네, 제가 이 온라인 석세스가 되고 사실은 매번 이제 녹화 방송으로 만나뵈다가 이제
I've
라이브
always
방송으로
been
처음
on
만나뵙게
a
됐는데
recording.
진짜
However,
시계가
I think this is the
바뀌어가지고
first time that I'm
처음인 것
standing here
같습니다.
in front of you
그리고
live.
오프라인 강의를 할 때보다 훨씬
Actually,
더
more
얼굴들이
than the
화면에
offline,
배치가 되다 보니까
I'm able to
훨씬 더
see all of
가깝게
you
만나뵙는
through
느낌이
the
드는 것
screens,
같아요.
and it
제가
feels
오늘
like I am
소개해드릴
up
신제품은
and personal to
이미
all of you.
출시가 된
The new
신화
products that I'm going to
제품이지만 또
explain to
출시를
you
너무
have
기다리시고
one of them has
계시는
already
제품이죠.
been
이
launched, and
디바이스
one is
EP
waiting
스킨
to be launched,
부스터를
which is
조금
EP Skin
사용기까지
Booster.
더해서 구체적으로 다시 한번 설명을
So let me
드리도록
explain about the EP
하겠습니다.
Skin Booster in detail at this time.
시너지 앰플이 출시가 됐습니다.
The
저희가
Synergy
시너지
Ampoule
앰플이라고 이름을
has
지은
been
이유,
launched. The
시너지라는
reason
이름은
why we named it a
무엇과
Synergy
더해졌을 때 훨씬 더
Ampoule is
큰
because
영향력을
Synergy means that it
미친다라고
has
이해를
a
해주시면
better
될것
effect
같은데요.
when you
시너지
combine
앰플
two
프로그램, 프로그램의
components.
이유가 코드 0번부터 코드
And in the
3번까지를
Ampoule program,
사용하는
you can
그런
use
제품이라고
the
보시면
number
될것
0
같습니다.
to 3 products
앰플이라는
successively.
카테고리 자체가 요즘 이제 워낙들 많이 좋아하시는 카테고리예요.
This Ampoule
혹자는
product line
화장품
is
이름에
loved
앰플만
by
들어가면
consumers.
팔린다고 해서
I heard
앰플이
that as
아닌데도
long as it
앰플이라고
just has
이름을
the
내밀을
name
하신다는 그런
Ampoule,
회사들도
people will
있는데
buy it.
앰플이라고 하면은
So some
기본적으로
companies
알고
add that
계시는
name
진짜
Ampoule. But what does
고기능성을 해야
Ampoule mean?
됩니다, 여러분.
Ampoule must
기능성
have a very
정도가 아니라
high
고기능성을 해야
function
사실
in
그
order for it
가지고
to
있는
become
이름의
an
역할을
Ampoule.
한다고 보실 수 있고요. 사주 완성 프로그램이라고
So it's a
생각을 하시면
4-week
사주
completion
0,
program
1, 2, 3
going
이렇게 한
through
주씩
the
사용을
products of
하시면서
0, 1,
총
2,
4주에
3
걸친 그렇죠?
each
피부
week
턴오버 주기에
successively.
맞춘 제품이라고
And this
이해를
goes in
하시면
line
될
with
것
the skin
같습니다.
turnover
그래서 저희가
pace.
이 앰플을 만나보시면은 조금
If
어려웠다라는
you,
피드백을
some
많이
people
받았어요.
when they receive
조금
this ampoule,
그냥
they
같이
say, oh,
담아서
they don't know
그냥
how to use
까자마자
it.
쓸 수 있으면 진짜 좋을 것 같은데
They said it
이거
would be good
눌러서 섞어서
to be able
다시
to use
또
it right away, but then you
스포이드를
have
갈아
to
끼우는 과정이
put the
이거
spoid,
어려웠어요
press the
하시는
spoid,
분들이
and mix
많으신데
it, and many people
저희가
say it's
일부러
difficult.
어렵게 만든 게 아니라
It's not
그렇게
something that we make
해야만
complicated
되돌릴
on
수 있는
purpose.
기능성이
It's
조금
because
더 안정되게 그리고
it is to
고효능으로 처방을 할 수
stabilize the
있어서
high content
그렇게
nutrients
설계를
of
한
the ampoule
제품이라고
to
생각을
your
하시면 될 것
skin, and
같습니다.
that's why it is designed in
받으시면
such way.
일단은
If you
아래쪽에
receive it,
보이는 제품이 있고 캡
there are the
쪽에
products in the
저희가
bottom,
유효 성분,
and in
그죠?
the cap
액티브 앰플을 별도로 넣어드렸어요.
is
그래서
active
캡을 탈착을
ingredients.
하시면 어떻게 돼요?
So what happens if
액티브
you
앰플이
put
섞이는
on
네
the
제품
cap,
전부가 그런 식으로
the
구성이 되어 있는
base, the products in the
제품이고요.
base
코드
ampoule, and on the
0번은
cap will
기본기를
mix
다지는
together.
제품.
The
그리고
code
코드
0
1번은
is the
많이들
basic,
신경 쓰시는 부위죠. 특히나 요즘은 여름철이 지나고 또 가을로
especially
넘어가면서
after
가장 많이 신경을
summer,
쓰시는
and now we're in the
것
fall.
같습니다.
Many
200을
people
전방위로 케어할 수 있는
are
그런 코드라고 보시면 되고요. 그리고 이제 금이 진짜 실제 금이 들어간 코드
concentrated.
2번 같은 경우에는
Actually, for code number 2, there's actually real 24K gold, which focuses on elasticity and lifting. And for code 3, it has a light purple
모든 항노화 제품,
color
노화
to
관련한
it,
모든
and it
부분을
has an
전반으로 케어할 수 있는
anti-aging
그런
function.
코드라고 생각을 하시면 될 것 같습니다. 살짝하는 부분이 이렇게
So this is how you use it.
많이 어려워하셔서
Some
제가
people
그림으로
think
다시
this is
한번
difficult, so let me
보여드릴게요.
explain to you with pictures.
기본적으로 캡을 탈착을 하시고
First, you
섞으신 후
have
가지고
to put the
동봉되어
cap
있는
on and then
스포이드로 갈아
shake
끼워서
it.
사용을 하시면
And
되는
after shaking
제품이고요.
it, you put on the
스포이드로
spoid
갈아 끼우기 전에
on
한번
top.
믹스를 하신
And before you
이후에
put on the
스포이드를 갈아
spoid,
끼우시면
make sure
훨씬
you
더
shake it first,
효율적으로 사용을
and
하실 수
you will
있습니다.
have more effective
네,
use.
저희가 캡 쪽에다가 넣어드리는 거는 액티브 성분이에요. 액티브
In
성분.
the cap,
액티브
it
성분이라고
has
하면은
active
고기능성을
ingredients,
가지고 있는데
which
조금
means it has
안정화가
high
떨어지는
function
애들. 안정화라고
ingredients,
하면은
but
시간이
it's
지났을
quite
때
unstable.
급속히 엿가가 무너지거나
So,
혹은
if time
제형끼리 이렇게
passes,
섞었을 때
these
안쪽에서
substances
엿가라고 하면은 어떤
that are composed of active
부분이냐면
ingredients
저희가
will become
처음에 한
unstable.
1000 정도 산소를 넣어서 막 믹스를 해드려요. 근데 얘가 섞어놨더니 시간이 뭐 6개월, 8개월이 지났더니
However,
성분이
if you
1000을 넣었는데 실제로
mix
기능하는 게
this,
500밖에 안 남는 거죠.
let's say we put
이러면은
1,000
사실
milligrams,
1000을
then
넣어드리는
after
그
5
의미가
months or
없는
6
거잖아요.
months,
그래서
it will
그거는
only have an
사용
effect
직전에
of
섞어서
500 milligrams.
사용하실 수 있게끔
That is
그렇게
why we have
만들어놓은
designed
제품이라고
it so
생각을
that
하시면
you
돼요.
can
그래서
mix it only
아래쪽도
when you're
앰플에도
using it for
저희가
that
유
week.
성분을 충분히 담아드렸고
So there's enough ample
믹스를
in the
했을 때
base of the
안정화가
product,
떨어지는 애들 같은
but
경우에는
for active ingredients that are
받으시고
quite
나서 사용
unstable,
직전에
they have
믹스를
been
하실 수
inserted
있도록
into the
이쪽에
cap
넣어드렸다고
so that it
짐작을
can be
하시면 될
mixed
것
right
같습니다.
away when
그래서
you want to
신선도도
use it
유지할
for
수
the
있고
stability
또
of active
상용성도 유지할 수 있고
ingredients.
효능도 들어가는
This will
고기능 성분의
maintain
효능이
the function
실시간 내내
of the active
지속될 수
ingredients
있도록
as you
만들어진
use the
제품이라고 이해를
products.
하시면 될 것 같아요. 네. 일단은 일주일 프로그램은 피부의 기본기를 다지는
So let's
피부를
look at
원점으로 돌리는 그런 솔루션이라고 생각을 하시면 됩니다.
the base
0이라고
solution.
저희가 만들어드린
It's
게
the unit 0.
지점, 피부가 시작하는 지점까지 끌어올려.
The reason why it's a unit 0 is because it's the beginning.
사용을 하셨는데 기존의 피부 트러블이 정말 많이 가라앉았어요.
And even with
하는
this
피드백 진짜
ample,
많이
we've
주셨어요.
received a lot of feedback
그래서
that
영번을
people
사용을
with
하시고
skin
1번, 2번, 3번
irritation was able to calm
사용하시는
their
게
skin.
표준 구성 모드라고 생각을 하시면 됩니다.
So the standard is for you to use the unit 0, product 0 for 1 week, and then use the product 1, 2, and 3 successively within a period of 2 to 4 weeks.
한 번쯤 사용을 해보시고
So I want to recommend that you use these products successively in order of from 0, 1, 2, 3 and see which one has the most effect on your skin.
시너지 앰플입니다. 앱솔루트 라인, 셀렉티브 라인을 저희가 대표적으로 얹어드렸지만 애터미에서 운영하는 그 어떤 라인과 매칭을 하셔도 실제로
So actually, the Synergy Ample 4 set goes well with any cosmetic products of Atomy. However, it will have the most effects with the Absolute Skincare line. As we prepared for this, it took us about 2 years to really think about it. Many companies are selling Ample products, but are we able to differentiate these Ample products and be effective with the function of these products?
정제수 대체로 들어가는 대체수 하나도 신경을 썼어요.
So we even considered the purification process of the water, of the liquid, and even the peptides that are inserted into all liquids, which are very, very expensive to acquire.
요것들이 기능에 맞게끔
So each of these components, each of these ingredients have been put into consideration to have the best combination possible for the skin. So for each code, it includes substances that are appropriate.
저희 이미 출시가 됐습니다. 가격은
So this product has already been launched. You can get it for $98 for 50,000 PV.
개별 코드별로 어떤 특징을 가지고 있는지 조금 구체적으로 설명을 드리도록 할게요.
Now let me look at each of the codes. For code 0, it is in charge of the hydration and the elasticity of the skin.
해당 제품만 5번, 6번 레이어드 하시는 소비자들도
So there are quite some consumers who don't use other products and just use this 5 or 6 drops on their face. This is actually very basic function of skin, to have ample hydration and to have elasticity.
스트레스. 기능성을 넣었는데 얘가 기능을 못하고 스트레스만 받으면 저희가 효과가 없는 거죠.
So actually, people who buy other ample products that are not effective, then they will only be stressed, which can be counterproductive for their skin. So this baby MF is included in the code 0, and the malachite extract is included as well. These colors are not from artificial colors. This color are natural colors of the active ingredients. So when the malachite is combined with the baby MNMF, then it gives off that bluish light. And through clinical trials,
그렇죠. 여기 물 바르고 보습 찍으면 보습 좋아지잖아요. 겉에 보이는 보습을 찍은 게 아니라
we have made sure that this code 0 doesn't just moisturize the outer layer of the skin, but it fully moisturizes the skin from deep within as well. And we've already tested that, and it has shown a significant data that it does moisturize into the deeper
부분을
the deeper
같이
parts
체크를 해서
of the
피부의
skin.
기본을 얼마나 탄탄하게 해주느냐를 체크를 한 제품이라고 생각을 하시면 될 것 같습니다. 그리고 너무
Next
많이
is
궁금하실 것
code
같아요.
1. I
애터미에서
think
왜
many of
비타민
you
C,
thought
A가 안
about this. Some
나오느냐요?
many
라는 질문을
consumers
진짜
say,
많이
why
주셨는데
was there no
이메일
vitamin
운영사가
C
비타민 C 모으시다 보니까
ample?
비타민 C 앰플을 너무 많이 기다리셨는데
Many
저희는
consumers were waiting for this.
멀티비타민이 들어있습니다.
So
비타민 C만 넣은 게
in
아니라
our ample for code
실제로
1 is not just vitamin
멀티비타민으로
C, but
효과를 측정을 했더니
multivitamins are
미백기능성이 훨씬
included for
낫더라는
this
부분이
code
있어서
1.
멀티비타민이 같이
And
부과가 돼
this was
있는
because
코드 1번
it had
제품이고요.
even a better
실제로
effect
저희가
than
앞쪽에
just
셀렉티브
including about
브라이트닝
one
코드에다가
vitamin type
멀티비타민
C.
20만 ppm을 같이 넣어드린
So
제품이고요.
about
다른
200,000
제품도
ppm of
마찬가지지만 이
vitamins
코드
are
같은 경우는
included in
무조건
this code
쓰시고
number
사용을
1.
믹스를 하신 후에 2주 안에 무조건 사용을
So you
해주셔야
have to use this product within 2
해주셔야 되는
weeks of
제품입니다.
mixing the active ingredients with the base ample.
비타민 C보다 훨씬 효과적이에요. 예, 훨씬
Once again, the
효과적이어서
reason why multivitamins were used because it's a lot more effective than just using one type of vitamin, that being vitamin C.
이런 거 아니고 겉김이 속김이 완화돼 딱딱 찝어가지고 임상을 했습니다. 김이라는 표현이 임상에서 쓰기 진짜 힘들어요. 임상에서 쓰기가 진짜
Actually, in
힘든데
clinical trials, it's really hard to
올라오는
test
침상 중에
the blemishes in the face. However, we have cared for these blemishes to make sure that they have decreased when code 1 was used. And next is code 2. Yes, the yellow here is real gold, a 24K gold, and it will help with
저희가
elasticity.
이제 믹스를 해서 사용을 하시면 나오는 성분이 레스베라트롤이라는 성분이
And when you mix this base product of ample with the cap, the substance of resveratrol will emerge.
리터를 만들어야 1kg를 얻을 수 있는 진짜.
And actually, this substance, you can only get 1 kilogram of this substance from 1.68 million liters of red grape wine.
그런 것들이
So these substances have been included in connection together with a real 24 karat gold.
그래서 펩타이드 기본적으로 다 리프팅 코드다 보니까
Since it's a lifting code, 7 types of peptides have been included as well.
어떻게 되는지
And we have done clinical trials to see how this affects the skin, how it improves the deep wrinkles,
이후에 얼마만큼 효과가 지속이 되는지도 같이
and we
측정을
also
해요.
checked how long it would maintain your
세 번째
skin.
코드는 안티에이징, 정말
And then
전반으로
code
한우와
3
케어를
is the
하는
anti-aging
제품이라고
effect
생각하시면
ample.
스크랄페이트라는 의약품에 쓰이는 용도의 성분이
And it has a substance that is included in pharmaceutical products. And the All Might code has been included alongside as well in large volumes. In conclusion, this is going to be good for your skin overall. And it is a product with the highest concentration of active ingredients. I'm sure you've already heard about this product, and if you see our clinical trials, it shows very significantly with numbers what kind of clear improvements it has made on your skin. You can see the wrinkles beside your eyes, you can see the freckles and the blemishes on your face and how it has improved. Another aspect of where we did a clinical trial was the concentration of the skin.
요거랑 같이 사용을 하셨을 때 정말
And another product that is very effective when you use it with this ample product is Atomi's EP Skin Booster. It will be launched in October 1. We have received a pre-registration for this product. However, due to some confirmation processes, it has been delayed. As much as it has been delayed, we really worked really hard for this product for all of you. So we need to first understand what EP means, an EP booster. EP means electroporation technology. Actually, many people are thinking of the galvanic type or the LED for such skin equipment because so many celebrities have had masks with LED technology. However, this product, that LED has no effect whatever, and the galvanic technology technology uses an ion technology.
가지고 있는 음극, 양극을 이용을 해가지고
It uses the negative and positive, the opposition properties of the skin and the equipment. So let's say if your skin has a minus property, then the equipment with a minus property will widen your skin. However, this EP, electroporation technology, uses a little bit of a different technology.
극성하고 좀 상관이 없어요. 극성하고는 상관이 없고 순간적으로
So what this electroporation technology does is that it exerts a spark of electricity onto the skin so that it widens the pores in an instant.
중주파, 멀티 중주파를 사용을 하는 제품이고요.
It uses a multi-medium frequency. When you receive therapy, you receive a low frequency on your skin, right? When you get physical therapy. However, the mid-frequency technology will make it more effective for the active ingredients to be delivered into the deeper parts of your skin. So when you think about this, you should know that it will be different from other technologies such as galvanic technologies. It will be effective, more effective for the skin. That's why hence the name booster. All of you know that Atomy cosmetic products already have a very good absorption rate. However, this skin booster will make it easier for your skin to absorb these the products. Of course, we have measured this through clinical trials, and it will make the substances be absorbed even more when you use your hands to apply it on your face. So this equipment will help your skin absorb the makeup or cosmetic products that you're putting on. It has 4 different types of mode. First is the blue mode, and each color represents a different frequency that it emits if you turn it on. So you can choose the different frequencies. The blue, white, purple modes are the EP mode, which means it uses electroporation technology. So for the whitening and the wrinkle improvement uses the same frequency. It uses the same EP mode. And we did a test. Many people said they feel a little bit of a tingling feeling on their face because it uses electricity. That is not because of a defect in the product or because of your skin. If the tingling feeling is too much, then if you put on more toner or more products on your face, then it will help. And if still the tingling feeling is too much, then you can put on a thick substances such as cream on your face. So if you receive the product, you will see that there is a time allocated, an appropriate time allocated for each of your skin. So you should adapt into this equipment. I know many of you were curious and many of you were waiting for this technology. Actually, many members who have used this gave feedback and said that it really has improved with their skin. So if you wait for the launch of the AP Booster, it will be really good if you use it with Synergy Ampoule. We have received reviews for those who have used it already. Video, please.
저는 남자이기도 하고 30대여서
I'm a man in my 30s, and I didn't know if it had such a big effect on me. But when I used it once, it was really good. Actually, I had a very dark skin. After using this, my face became whiter. When I used the Synergy Ampoule for 4 weeks, I really had a high moisturizing effect, definitely. I felt like my skin was becoming more clear, and because of that, it had a very high whitening function. The nutrients and the use was just really good. It felt like my skin was becoming whiter, and you could really feel the effects right away.
수분이 꽉 차 오는 느낌이에요.
It feels like my skin was becoming very high with moisture, and it felt like it was filling out my wrinkles.
제가 시너지 앰플을 써봤는데요.
After using the
그냥
Synergy
내
ampoule,
살에 실크 옷을 입는
It
것처럼
feels like I was putting on a silky cloth over my face. What do I want? It feels like my face was just had that very elasticy feel.
피부 결이
Wow, when I first used it, the texture of my skin improved so much that I felt like it went back into my high school days. And what surprised me even more was that when I washed my face, all I did was put my toner and my face just started to shine.
도자기 피부.
And really felt like I had a pottery type of feel on my face. If I'm to choose one thing that I like the most about this product was that after using one set, I really could see my skin improve. I'm using code 2 right now, and my face, which had a rough texture, has smoothened out a lot. If I'm to express this with one word, it is number 1 of home care. When I use this ample step by step, I felt like my face was becoming moisturized, the elasticity was going up, and my face brightened. And I kept wanting to touch my face. I've already used 2 bottles of Atomi's ampoule. At first, I didn't really trust it because Atomi's products are already very good. And I didn't know how much it would add to the value of skin improvement. However, after using it the first day, I really felt like that the product was indeed excellent. Especially when I had my family see me, they really said my skin improved a lot. Even when I saw my own face without any makeup, I felt like my face, my skin improved a lot. And when I put on makeup, I felt like my skin was able to absorb the makeup more effectively. I use it up until code 2, and wow, can you see my face? It's really, really effective. Don't miss your opportunity, and go ahead if you haven't tried it yet to give it a try.
이렇게 리더분들의 생생한 후기 어떠셨나요, 실장님?
제가
How was it, Director Lee?
만든 입장에서 봤을 땐
From a person who has created their product, I was very thankful.
게 효과가 훨씬 좋은 것 같습니다.
And I think if you believe that the product will improve your face, it will even be more effective. That's right. To believe and to use Atomi's products. When I use the Atomi's ampoule product, I really could feel the positive effects as well. I'm first going to ask a few questions to Director Lee. Foremost, let me ask her personally. Are you ready for the questions? Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. I'm quite nervous.
첫 번째 질문입니다.
First question.
세안 후에 사용을 하면은
So if I use it after cleansing my face, it feels like my face has a little tingly feeling. Why is that? The reason why you have that tingly feeling on your face, there's 2 reasons. First, if your face is too dry, then no matter what kind of product you use, your face will be a little bit tingly. And second is that these products are very high in concentrate of active ingredients. When we call this product a functional product, I think mostly it'll be the code number 1, where it has 200,000 ppm of multivitamin. So it might be because of the high content of the active ingredients. However, you must take note that if it has, it's very effective, but if it has no side effects, that is really not easy to produce at all. Yes, we are trying to make it less stimulating as much as possible. However, for those who have sensitive skin, it might feel like you have that tingly feeling on your skin. So when you use toner, like Dermatoner or a thick toner, then I think it will improve that tingly feeling on your face. Thank you for the tip. Because it's so high in concentrate, for those with sensitive skin, it might feel a little rough on their skin. If you mix it with water, it might solve that problem. Just joking.
두 번째 질문 드려볼까요?
Second question, Director Lee. This product is really good. After using this one bottle, may I able to use from the beginning of code 0? Is that possible?
하셔서 사용을 하셔도 됩니다.
Yes, you can start from code 0 again. However,
이건 데일리 케어로 사실 기획한 제품은 아니에요.
this is not a daily care product where you use it every day. It is a 4-week special care program.
워낙 코드별로 선호도가 많이 달라요.
And because depending on your age, the consumer will have a different need for each code. So the higher the code, I think the higher your age will be
저희가 코드별
probably.
출시를 추석 직후에 진행을 합니다.
So we will launch
each
each code separately after the Chuseok holiday. So I think you can buy individual codes after Chuseok.
한번 사용을 하고 사용을 멈추었을 때 그 효과를
And we also did
얼마나
clinical
지속할
trials
수
to
있는지
see how long
보니까
one could maintain their
잠깐
skin.
한 1, 2주 정도 멈추시고 효과가 지속되는지도
So why don't you
한번 보시면
try it out by
네,
after
너무
using the
좋은
product,
말씀
waiting for a
해주셔서
week or
정말
two, and to
감사합니다.
see how
추석 이후에는
much you
이제
can
또
maintain the
코드별로
quality of
출시도
your
된다고
skin.
하니까요. 좋은 소식 또 기다려 보도록
So we'll be waiting
하겠습니다.
for good
네, 이제 세
news in the
번째
future.
질문 드리도록
Question
할게요.
number 3.
EP 부스터 아직 못 받아 보셨잖아요. 아직 출시 전인데
Yes, people have not
EP
received
부스터에
their EP
대해서
booster
아주
yet.
지금 열기가 뜨겁습니다. 네, 그래서 5분 정도 사용하라는 그런 이야기가 있다. 근데
So there's been word that you should use it 5
사용하고
minutes
더
for the EP
사용하고
booster.
싶다는
What if
그런
people
말씀하시고요.
want to use it more than
얼굴
5
사용하고
minutes?
목도 5분
What if they
사용하고
use
이래도
5 minutes on their
되는지
face and
네,
then 5
질문을
minutes on their
해주시더라고요.
neck? Is that possible?
부스터가 아마 진짜 많이 기다리실 것 같은데
Yes, many of you have
표준
probably
사용을
waited for the EP
5분으로
booster
해드린
for a long
이유가
time. The
이제
reason why the
모든
standard time is set for
표준
5
사용법이 있습니다.
minutes,
안전한
actually
사용법이죠.
each
표준
product
사용법이
will
있는데,
have a moderate amount
EP
of time
부스터가
that you
저희가
can use.
진짜 기능을 할 수 있는
However,
기능만 담은 디바이스라고
the EP
생각을 하셔야
booster
돼요. 그러니까 불필요하게
is
이거 기능을 할 수 있을 것
designed
같은
only
애들
with
다
the
빼고
optimal
실제로
technology
기능을
that
하는
is
애들만
needed
저희가
for the improvement of your
공격이
skin.
의료기기였어요. 피부과에서 실제로 사용하는
And this technology is actually used as a medical device, and now you can use this as a home care in your house. I know many of you are very excited for this, so you might use 20 minutes or 30 minutes on your skin, and that could actually incite more irritation on your skin. And it actually takes some time for your skin to get used to this product. So it doesn't mean that it will reap better effects if you use it for a longer time. And actually, depending on each mode, the EP booster will turn off on its own. So one mode will be on for only 2 minutes, and then another mode will be another for 2 minutes. So I do recommend that you use the suggested use of time. And only after you've done that, and if you feel like you need to use it even more, then you should slowly increase the time.
너무나 좋은 말씀 감사드립니다.
Once again, thank you so much for the good tip.
굉장히 뜨거워서요.
Everyone is
이미
so
정말 많은
passionate and
분들께서
excited about the
궁금해하시는
EP
질문들이
booster, so
굉장히
there are very many
많았었거든요.
questions.
근데 이렇게
You've used it, right? Star Master Nari, how is it? Wow, after I've used it,
제가 영상을 어디 남긴 게 있을 텐데
I think I've taken a video about it. I was flustered, and I was so surprised that this was indeed a product that existed. And that was when I was able to become confident again to add to Mi's product. And I know Director Lee and your team are screening these products even before it is launched. Please take note, President Park used the strongest mode with these products on his skin, and I'm confident you can trust these products. Yes, even President Park screened this product, so you can trust this product. So can I use this product when I wash my face? Actually, no, you cannot use this in the bathroom while you're washing your face. Some people use this product to cleanse their face more effectively. However, make sure that the product does not touch water or liquid. Don't let it go under running water. Make sure if it gets wet that you wipe it clean and dry after you use it, and then you'll be able to use it for a long period of
아무래도
time.
기계이다 보니까 관리가 굉장히 중요할 것
Since
같고요.
it's a
여러분들께서도
machine,
나중에
it's
주문해서
very important to
받으시면
maintain
꼭
the
관리,
equipment.
네,
So all of you, when you
깨끗하게
receive your
닦아서
product, make
사용하시는
sure
거
that
잊지
you wipe
않으셨으면
it dry
좋겠습니다.
and use it
네,
for a
그럼
long
이제
period of time.
마무리하도록 할 텐데요. 제
We're about to
개인적인
close
질문
this
드려도
Q&A
되나요?
session. May I ask you a personal
우리
question,
윤현
Director
실장님
Lee?
자꾸 더 예뻐지시잖아요.
Director Lee, you're becoming
혹시
more and more
우리
pretty.
몰래
Is there anything that you're doing or
먼저
eating
사용하고 있으신
beforehand
제품이 있다면
as it
이
is
자리에서
launched to
뭐
all of us?
말씀해 주세요.
Please give us a
저희가
secret.
지금 사실 앱솔루트 이브닝 케어를 기획 중에
Actually, we
있습니다.
are
그래서
designing the
많이
absolute
사용을 했고,
evening
또
care.
디바이스 제품도 사실은
And
저희가
a
지금은
device
보이긴
product
하지만
is now
제가 시중에
being
나오는
developed.
여러분 좋다고 암땡땡, 누땡땡부터 시작해서
You know, all the
쇼핑
products
제품,
from
뭐 10,000 원짜리
Amway
제품
and
다 써봤어요.
different
다
products. I am
써봤는데
using it
앱이
all
스킨
from
부스터가
thousands of
짱입니다.
dollars, but
그래서 스킨
Atomi's
부스터 미리 써서
skin booster is the
피부가
best. And I think it's
좋아지지
because
않을까
I've used skin booster
네,
beforehand.
맞습니다. 이
That's why
스킨
my skin is
부스터가
getting
정말
better.
너무나 멋진
The
효과를
skin
주고
booster,
있는데요.
I think,
정말
really
유용한 팁과
improves
정보를
this
알려주셔서
quality of
너무나
the skin. Thank you
감사합니다.
for
저도
such
이
good
4주
tips.
프로그램 끝내고
I think after my
다시
4-week
지금
program with the
사용을
Ample
하고 있거든요.
Synergy
더
Ample, I
효과적인 모습을 또
will
여러분들께
use the EP
보여드리도록
booster as well, so that my
하겠습니다.
skin will
네,
also get
여러분들도
better.
꼭 사용해 보셔서 4주
Yes, so I
만에
really
피부
recommend that you
변화의
use
기적을
this
경험해 보시길
equipment
바라겠습니다.
and experience
신제품
true
소개로
miracle
수고해
in your
주신
skin.
이은영 실장님께 박수
Let's give Director
보내주세요.
Lee a big round of applause one more time.
누르는 순간
The time that you press Miracle Revolution,
오직 당신에게만 맞춰진
only for your
스킨
personal
솔루션.
skin solution.
자연이 선사한
The
재료와
material from the nature
피부 과학의
and the
만남.
skin science.
잠들었던 피부의 리듬을
And this is
깨우고
advanced
더
hydration,
환하게,
more
더
brightening,
탄력 있게,
and more elastic skin.
매끄럽게.
Everything is glowing, more moisture. After 4 weeks, your skin will be renewed. Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program. Atomy Synergy Ampoule. Steps. Step number 1, get rid of the film and put the core ampoule and active ampoule. Mix those two. And please shake the container and spoiled container as well. And please take out the cap and put 2 to 3 drops and put it on your skin. If you can see EP Skin Booster, if you use it at the same time, it's more effective and high efficacy. And this is how to use. Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program.